Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable inline editing in Salesforce. All right. First up, go ahead and log into your Salesforce account. Now, once you're in here, click on the cogwheel right here at the top right and click on Open Advanced Setup. Now in here, just wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just click on Object Manager. All right, click on it. Now in here, for example, we wanted to make use of accounts. So, all right, so I'm going to click on it. Now in here, in the left pane, just go and scroll down and find Search Layouts. Click on Search Layouts. And in here, for example, the default layout right here, I'm going to click on Edit. Right here at the right corner, I click on Edit. All right. Now, for example, we have these available fields right here. And here's the selected fields. So, for example, I wanted to add in some postal code. I'm just going to highlight it and click on Add right here. And so you can see it is now moved. Billing street or billing city right here. Billing country. All right. The fax or website. That's it. I'm just going to hit on Save right here. All right. And wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, let's go ahead and click on the cogwheel once more and hit on Open Advanced Setup. And it's going to open up again. Now in here, let's just go ahead and scroll down and find User Interface right here. Click on it. Now under User Interface, go ahead and scroll down again. And then click on User Interface again. All right. This is basically the edit section. All right. As you can see here, we now have the option to enable inline editing. All right. As you can see here, if yours is unticked right here, just make sure that you tick this one. And after that, just go to scroll all the way down and hit on Save. And there you have it. That's basically how you enable inline editing in Salesforce. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.